we're always gonna get a flat tire. It always happens. Mailmen always get flat tires. I get a flat tire or a nail in the tire at least once a week. If sometimes I've actually had 3 flat tires all in one day. So instead of being stranded and waiting for somebody to rescue you and all that, you've got to get yourself a tire repair kit or a tire patch kit. I got this off of Amazon for like 30 bucks. It is the best kit I've ever come across. I've even had cheaper ones you get at the gas station, like 10 bucks. Go ahead and spend extra money. You're gonna go through plugs all the time. So I got this on Amazon. It says Maddox. There's several different kinds. I just got the cheapest one. And it comes with a bunch of plugs. It comes with a tool to make the hole bigger, ream it out, and then to put the actual patch. As you can tell, I've gone through lots of these. Then it comes with a few extra Schrader valves and stuff like that. But this is great, and it did come with a pair of pliers, but I lost it. So I just threw one in there. So anyway, let me show you how to plug a tire really quick. So here's one that I've already got a nail in it, a screw. You'll be amazed what you pick up on the side of the road. It's actually still holding air, but it will leak down. This is an old tire, you know, it's kind of like a spare that I have. So what I would do, I'll go ahead and get everything ready. So I'll open up my kit, right? First thing I'll do is get a new plug. These are already ready to go. They already got the glue on them, so they're extra sticky. Just reach in, grab one. Now, I'm at home. I knew this one had one. I just kept going till I got home. You kind of flatten it out, started in there. Now, what you can do to make it easier on yourself, it comes with this little lube here. I rarely use it. I just, you know, I'm in a rush, so, but you can just push that in there, and it makes it easier to slide through this tiny little hole here. Then, I'll take my pliers, and start pulling it through. Want to go about halfway through, just like that. All right, set that to the side, get your ream tool ready, and then, now I like to do this while there's air in the tire. If your tire is almost aired out, go ahead and put some air up to the recommended. And then, now this one's in here pretty good. Sometimes if it's a screw, you can actually twist it out. This one hasn't been in very long at all. Now this one is in here good. I've had all kind of things in here. All right, should almost be out. I don't know, how long is this thing? Get your ream tool, push it in. And the goal of this is to make the hole clean enough and wide enough. As I said, clean enough and wide enough. All right, that should be enough. Get this ready. And with all your weight, push down. It's a little hard. Till it bottoms out. Give it a twist. Pull it out. Last thing you do, well, next to last thing, you get a knife, sharp blade, a razor, something. This one is pretty sticky since I use it all. Excuse me for my sweating. It's Florida. It's hot. All right. Come out here even with the tread, and then just slowly cut through, and that's plugged. Now what you want to do is air up the tire to what you're supposed to have in there, and you are good to go. So there's a tip, and not just for mailmen, for anybody who's always getting nails in their tire. Go ahead, get one of these kits, throw it in there, and then it's always good to have an air pump with you. Mine is in there, but Mailman Mechanic, I'll see you at the mailbox.